What's up guys, welcome back to the MixedSid channel where we do cocktails, and today's cocktail is another classic Alchemist one from the past, the Solero, and I will show you how to make this delicious cocktail. As I said, the Solero is a popular one back in the day. Right, to make the Solero guys, get your cocktail shaker and put in some ice. Right, the first ingredient to go in guys is 22.5ml or 3/4 of an ounce of Passoa, which is a passion fruit liqueur. So any fans of the porn style martini will recognise this spirit. Next up is 22.5ml or 3/4 of an ounce of vodka. We're using the Russian standard. Next is 7.5ml or 1/4 of an ounce of LNG mix, which is sugar syrup and lemon juice mixed together. Next is 10ml of a mango syrup. I'm using the Monin brand. Beautiful. Next is 15ml or 1/2 an ounce of fresh lime juice. Next is 40ml of orange juice, which is just under 1.5 ounce. We'll do it that way. And the last ingredient guys is 40ml or just under 1.5 ounce of apple juice. You can use a cloudy apple juice if you wish. And the last thing to do now is get 1/2 a passion fruit and just squeeze into it. Get that juice, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right, put your lid on and give it a good shake for 8 to 10 seconds to get it nice and chilled. There it goes, nice and chilled, as you can see from the tin shaker. Get your coupe glass, turn straight into it. That's what I'll do about there. It's enough for two really. Right, now the fun part, the white chocolate foam. Yeah. One Solero. Right, how does the Solero cocktail taste? Can't wait to taste this. I enjoyed that much, I'm making a mess. Mmm. Mustaches and cream do not go together. Oh. And that is how you make the Solero cocktail. So Solero, a beautiful, beautiful drink. You can see why it's popular back in the day. I'm not too sure why they stopped. Hopefully the Alchemist will bring it back. What do you think, Alchemist? I think we nailed it. And I must say, I think we've got enough too. But to make the white chocolate foam, it can be fun to make your foam. That's the hard part, making the foam and getting that right, the white chocolate foam. Because it's a lot of ingredients, it's very nice. It's certainly, that's the one I'm looking for, fruity, that's it. With the passion fruit and the orange juice, certainly gives it that lovely, lovely fruity flavour. Like the Solero, the lollipop, if you ever had it as a kid, it's certainly lovely. But that is the Solero cocktail guys. I hope you enjoyed this classic from the Alchemist. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this. And I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers. Let's go.
You're improving.
Yeah, I could have asked for a better film, it's turned out really well.
Instagram MixedSid.
Yes, don't forget to like it.